Hi, good day. We got I have a new project, and this is a rotating sound spinner with an MAX7219, and I'm using an Arduino Nano. Okay, so as you can see here, we have this spinning LED. Okay. Remember that this is a MAX7219, which has got 8 LED by 8 LED, so it's 64 LED in all. And I'm spinning in this case, and it's the sound. If I talk loud, or there is a loud bang, the spinner go faster. Hello. Okay, let's say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's practically, this is connected to the sound sensor, and it you can produce anything. You can have bars. I choose a spinner, you know, it's like a little ball that goes fast. Hello, hello, see, move faster. And okay, so the pin numbers here, as you can see, it has, okay, you got a VCC, ground, and then you got DIN, CS, and clock. Okay, so practically I put the DIN on D11. Okay, that's D11, and I put the CS. Okay, the CS on D10. That's this one, the yellow one, it's a D10. This is D11, and then the last one, you can see it's a clock, and I put a clock on D13, which is here on this side of the Arduino. Okay, and I put the sound sensor. I put the sound sensor on on A9. Okay, A9, it's analog 0. A0, it's analog 0, as you can see, because it's analog and not digital. Alright, then I made a railing. In this case we have a railing here of 3.3 volt, and I grounded it on this side. Okay, so I'm using 3.3 volts for the sound sensor, but I'm using 5 volts for the 5 volts for the, sorry, 5 volts, it's here, 5 volts for the MAX7219. Okay, so, and that's the way it works. You need to go faster, or you can adjust it, and you can see can spin faster. Sorry, put my hand there, and then slow. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here a bit slow, because when I talk it moves fast. Alright, I think it's quite a cool, well, you can do anything with this. Next one I'm going to use an MPU to move it around. You could make an arm that lifts up every time the sound is loud, or a servo that move with the sound, or voice activated. Okay, so in this case you could say it's voice activated, because it's moving according to the sound of my voice. Alright, so let's go to the code. It's a very short code. Okay, you need a LED control H, which control the MAX7219 in this case, which is an 8x8 LED matrix. Okay, here you have the code, which are the DIN, clock, and CS. There we are. All right. And then we have the Yeah, there is an explanation for the spinner frame. Okay, the spinner frame, how they work, and then they get managed at the bottom here. Yeah, and the spinner frame. The list of predefined X and Y position simulated a circular motion. Okay, so in this run we'll clear the previous frame and it's on the loop and come back. Alright, so rotate the spinner pattern to simulate rotation. Okay, so it's practically you got 64 spinners, so one as the ball spin around is actually LED lighting up one after another, one moving around in circle, following each other up. One on, one off, one on, one off. So you always see the one on spinning around the square. Okay, I think I covered everything. It will be interesting to do another exercise with this type of, maybe with bars like, they move up and down on the sound. I will do one of those. I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up and I can do more projects with this. Otherwise, if I don't get the support, I won't make anymore. I'll make something else. Okay, guys, have a good Wednesday. Thank you. Bye.